In this video I am going to talk about the most popular and legal ways to make money online. In the first part of the video I will briefly talk about the simplest ways to make money that do not require any work experience. These methods are simple and open to anyone, but the income is not very high. I will do a quick overview of the top 11 ways. In the second part I will talk about ways to make money with high income and possibility of passive income. However, here you will need to make more effort and learn new skills. I will review the top 14 ways. In the third part I will tell you where to find a list of companies that hire staff for permanent remote work from home. I will also tell how to spot scammers who just want to deceive you, steal your personal data or not pay for work. If you want more detailed review of one of the ways to make money, then write in the comments below, press like button, subscribe to my channel to not miss new video. Let's take a quick look at the simplest and low-income ways to make money. A list of these methods is often available on the internet. Many of these methods are outdated. Others can be described as highly competitive, but you can still make money. You just have to be smart and creative. Earnings range from $2 to $20 per hour. It all depends on the competition and the efforts you make. First one, online surveys. You answer questions online and receive a small reward for each survey you take. Typically, these surveys are initiated by companies that want to know their potential customers' habits. Next one, online data entry. Companies need to enter a lot of data from paper media into electronic form. You can do this work for a fee. Next one, proofreading. You can proofread books, scientific articles, online articles, audio recordings, etc. You get a reward for proofreading a certain amount of materials. Next one, call center work. You can find a remote job in a company making and receiving customer calls and saving them for further processing. Such work does not require your physical presence in the office. You get paid either for the number of calls or for the number of hours you work. Next one, virtual assistant. You can perform office tasks, answer emails, manage working calendar, enter data, help other office employees. All this can be done from home and you'll get paid for it. Next one, product reviewer. You can earn money by reviewing and giving feedback on products. Many companies pay money to review their products. Next one, focus group participant. Just share your opinion and get paid for it. Many companies conduct market research and focus group interviews. You can find work, for example, on findfocusgroups.com. Next one, evaluate websites. You can evaluate the usability and stability of websites and get paid for it. Next one, TextBroker or writer. You can write or rewrite articles for blogs and websites. Usually people get paid for the number of characters or words in the text. You can start writing, for example, on textbroker.com. Next one, transcriber, transcriptionist. You can listen to audio files and transcribe audio to text. For example, university lectures, training courses, etc. Next one, home customer service agents, customer service representatives. You can get a job as a customer service representative and receive calls from customers about the problems that experience with the purchased products, offer them solutions according to corporate policy. You get paid on an hourly basis. Now let's take a look at high-income ways to make money and passive income opportunity. You can earn much more here, but you will have to learn new skills and just be patient. These methods can't make you a millionaire in a day, but if you work regularly and improve your skills, you can earn good money. Earnings in these areas are not always measured in dollars per hour. You can earn from $2,000 to $50,000 per month. It all depends on your skills, desire to learn and choosing the correct marketing strategies. First one, print-on-demand services. Print-on-demand services are websites that allow you to make money by creating and selling products online. For example, Redbubble.com lets you to create custom t-shirts, phone cases and pillows, simply by uploading images and text to the site and placing them on the products. You choose which product you want to sell, for example t-shirts. Then, upload a funny picture or a philosophical meaning and place the image on the t-shirt. You can customize sizes and colors and add captions. When Redbubble customer purchases one of your design products, Redbubble prints your design on a t-shirt, packs the t-shirt and ships it to the customer. You don't have to produce anything, you just need to come up with attractive product designs. You upload the design only once. Afterwards your t-shirts can be sold many times without your involvement in the process, creating passive income for you. Redbubble pays you a commission from every sale. This is called print on demand. Amazon also has a similar service, Merch by Amazon. Apply for membership, upload a photo and choose the products for the print to be placed on. Amazon customers will be able to find your t-shirts, buy them, and you will receive a fee from every sale. Next one, making paid training videos. There are sites where visitors pay $10 per month for access to training videos from professionals. One of these sites is Skillshare.com. For example, if I want to learn how to cook a steak like a professional chef, I can buy access to a paid training video. You can upload your own training videos and get paid when users watch them. It can be a video tutorial on how to cook something, fix something, how to make an effect in Photoshop, etc. You get paid for every minute watched. Once you make a training video, you get passive income from views. Udemy is another popular website. There you can create your own courses and sell access to the entire course. On Skillshare you get paid for the number of minutes users watch your video, on Udemy, for selling the full course. Making training videos for such websites is very profitable. You create the course only once, after that you can sell it many times and make a passive income. Even if you do not have any special skills, you can watch a YouTube video from a professional, repeat and make your own video using your camera or computer screen. Next one, voicing over texts and scripts. You can voice over audiobooks or video clips. The demand for high-quality videos is high due to YouTube and similar websites' popularity. Especially when it comes to clip arts, animations and cartoons. With a little practice, you can develop proper diction and offer your services on freelance sites. Next one, creating a YouTube channel in a specific niche and selling products. This is not a secret that making money on YouTube becomes more and more popular every day. You can make videos in a specific niche and about a particular product, for example how to fry steaks. Filming a video, you can advertise related products such as grilling equipment, sauces, knives, etc. The main idea is to shoot high-quality content on YouTube, advertise and sell either your product or someone else's product and receiving a commission for this. Even if you don't have special skills, you can find a partner who knows how to do something, for example repair motorcycle, and shoot videos with him. You can edit and promote the video and your partner deal with the product. Next one, creating a YouTube channel for a wide audience and selling ads on your channel. You can also shoot videos targeting a wide audience, reviewing films or games, compiling videos about unusual places on Earth, funny or top 10 videos. The main goal is reaching as many people as possible and getting as many views as possible. YouTube displays ads on popular videos, and you will receive money for clicks and views. Or you can find your own advertisers and integrate ads into your videos. This makes a nice passive income. You create a video once and it constantly brings you income. Next one, Facebook ads and Google AdWords Manager. You can learn to properly set up ad campaigns on Facebook, Instagram and Google and attract customers for companies that have a specific product. You can receive a fee from each sale or get paid for setting up ad campaigns. Next one, video and audio editing. Due to YouTube popularity, the demand for video editing services has increased. From simple editing to remove garbage from video to creating video and audio effects. Having mastered such programs as Adobe Premiere, Adobe After Effects, Sony Vegas, and Audacity, you can offer video editing services, find a permanent remote job in a company or edit videos for a famous blogger. Next one, online teacher. If you possess a certain skill or teach at school, college or university, then you can teach people via Skype. This process is made even more easier thanks to services like K-12 and Connections Academy. Next one, selling high-quality photos and 4K videos on services like Shutterstock. You can sell high-quality photos and videos on Shutterstock. People buy videos and photos for their videos on YouTube, Skillshare, Udemy or presentations. Videos can be simple or complex with a price to fit. 4K videos are most in demand. You upload a photo or a video only once and sell it many times, receiving a passive income. Next one, affiliate marketing. You can earn by selling different products and receive a fee from each sale. Today, almost every company offering online products or services has an affiliate program. You receive a link to place on your website, Instagram or YouTube, and when your visitors click on it and buy a product, you receive a fee from the sale. This is a very profitable passive income business, but you need to attract visitors' attention in order to succeed. Affiliate programs are great for YouTube or Instagram channels. The most famous and largest companies with affiliate programs are Amazon, Shopify, GoDaddy and many other companies that are quite easy to find on the internet. Next one, digital marketing and social media marketing. You can sell products and services on social media. All you need is to know how a particular social network works, how to attract audience, how paid advertising search algorithms work. You can sell the other company's goods receiving a fee from sales, sell your own goods, or provide one-time paid services for the marketing and promotion of goods on social networks. Today's social networks are the #1 platform in the world for attracting potential customers. Therefore, if you know how to attract attention, you can make very good money. Next one, Premium Freelancer. You can take tasks on freelance sites, complete them and get paid for it. Doing tasks with high quality, you receive good reviews and a high rating and can subsequently raise prices for your services. The list of tasks is quite extensive. Design, sales manager, translations, accounting, consulting, etc. Flexjobs.com, freelancer.com, upwork.com are just some of the website whether you can find work. Next one, dropshipping. You can buy products from original manufacturers and sell them with your own brand and markup. All you have to do is find a manufacturer that works on dropshipping basis, advertise your product, receive payments from customers, send the order to your supplier. The supplier will ship the product to your customer. Your income is the difference between the supplier's price and your price. The best known dropshipping sites are Oberlo.com, Alibaba.com, AliExpress.com. Next one, website and software development. You can become a web designer or a software developer in top programming languages, C#, Java, Python. Then, you can offer your services on freelance sites or get a permanent remote job in a software development company. This profession is ideal to work from home. There are many courses on Udemy and YouTube where you can quickly master a programming language and start making money applying these skills. A list of companies hiring remote employees can be found on flexjobs.com. Enter remote job in the search bar and take a look at the job offers. They also have an article that contains such a list of companies. How to spot scammers who want to deceive you, steal your personal data or not pay for your work. The first thing to do is to Google information about a website or company that is hiring for remote positions. Read some reviews, but not the ones that are on the company's website itself, they might be fake. Check out reviews on sites like Glassdoor, Trustpilot, and other forums. This way you will be able to make a more objective assessment of the company, and this will give you a good idea whether the organization is legit. If you're dealing with a potential client directly and you're worried the client may not pay, ask for a 50% payment upfront instead of waiting until you've sent in the work to ask for payment. If you freelance and use a third-party site to match you with clients, never agree to leave the platform unless you have a good relationship with the client. It may be annoying that the third party takes a cut of the profits, but they're also guaranteeing your safety and payment. Online jobs tend to fit into two categories. Those that require low effort with a low reward. Those that require a lot of effort with a bigger reward. If you're providing an easy service anyone could do, you can't expect to get paid a lot. If you find a gig offering you more money than you would expect for the required work, proceed with caution. And never share your credit card, bank account, or social security numbers unless you're sure it's the real deal. Thanks for watching the video. I hope it was useful to you. If you want more detailed review of one of the ways to make money, then write in the comments below, press like button, subscribe to my channel to not miss new video.